Simply defined, game schooling is using games as part of your homeschool. Some families prefer to only use board and card games. Others will incorporate computer games. There is no wrong or right type of game. The best game is the one that fits your family. The important thing is that games are chosen intentionally with a specific purpose or skill in mind, rather than chosen only for the fun value. Adding games to your children's education has numerous benefits. For example, games are an excellent way to introduce, teach, and review concepts. Research has shown that children gain 23% more information through games compared to traditional instruction. Games also help children remember information better. They help develop critical thinking skills and engage children in learning, which encourages them to take ownership of their learning. Games can be a powerful motivator. Plus, social skills and positive character traits are reinforced through game playing. There is one other consideration when thinking about game schooling. Do you wish to use games as the primary learning tool, meaning in place of more systematic curriculum? Or are you more eclectic and want to include games alongside curriculum or in place of some and alongside others? Incorporating games into your homeschool is a personal decision based on your educational philosophy. Educational games abound, and unlike the games of my children's days, the games are actually fun to play. For more on game schooling, you can watch our full workshop, which is linked in the description below. Be sure to check our website for ideas or contact us at consultants@rainbowresource.com for specific subject ideas.